Introducing a motor solution kit using the RZ-T2M, an MPU, which enables motor control and industrial networking on a single chip, as well as supporting functional safety processing. The RZ-T2M Motor Solution Kit is a reference evaluation kit which facilitates the development of AC servos and other motor control systems. The RZ-T2M controller board, low-voltage single-axis drive inverter board, motion utility tool, brushless DC motor, schematics, and documentation allow you to evaluate motor control, industrial Ethernet, and functional safety using the RZ-T2M. The MPU RZ-T2M in the RZ-T2M Motor Solution Kit enables motor control with high-speed and high-precision real-time processing, in addition to industrial Ethernet functions that can support TSN and various protocols on a single chip. Furthermore, it also supports functional safety, an issue which is becoming increasingly important as a means of ensuring the safety of industrial equipment systems as a whole. This product is ideal as a motor control platform for servos, inverters, and industrial robots. RZ-T2M uses an architecture optimized for motor control. 800 MHz high-performance CPUs, large-capacity tightly coupled memory for high-speed access, and a low-latency bus that directly connects the CPU to the motor control peripheral functions, enable high-speed processing of motor control. The RZ-T2M Motor Solution Kit enables high-precision current sensing using the RZ-T2M's built-in Delta Sigma interface and an external Renesas Delta Sigma modulator, making the motor control current control loop processing highly accurate and 6 times faster than conventional products. The RZ-T2M is also equipped with an encoder interface that supports various absolute encoder protocols. The RZ-T2M Motor Solution Kit supports A-format's absolute encoder protocol for highly accurate position detection. The RZ-T2M Motor Solution Kit allows users to easily evaluate velocity control and position control using the motion utility tool. Renesas provides sample software for sinusoidal vector control with position current sensors, as well as schematics, BOM lists, and Gerber files to help customers shorten their motor control system development time. As well as being equipped with TSN-capable high-speed communication and the market-proven Beckhoff EtherCAT slave controller IP, the RZ-T2M Industrial Ethernet Enabling Subsystem also supports major industrial Ethernet protocols such as Profinet, Ethernet IP, and OPC UA. The RZ-T2M Motor Solution Kit supports EtherCAT communication compliant with the CIA 402 drive profile, a device profile for drives and motion control. Motor control via EtherCAT can be easily evaluated by connecting the evaluation kit to a PC or other device equipped with TwinCAT, the EtherCAT Master Tool. The dual CPU in RZ-T2M separates EtherCAT communication processing from motor control processing. CPU 1 performs EtherCAT communication processing with TwinCAT, and CPU 0 controls the motor based on the control data. In this way, you can take full advantage of both the industrial Ethernet communication and motor control capabilities. Customers can use TwinCAT, which is commonly available on the market, to check the functionality of servo drive and sinusoidal inverter controlled by the CIA 402 drive profile. The RZ-T2M Motor Solution Kit also includes reference software and documentation to help customers shorten development time for their industrial Ethernet implementation. T2M can use one of its 2 built-in CPUs for safety monitoring by installing dedicated software which has acquired functional safety certification. The cross-monitoring functionality, which generally requires 2 external MCUs, can be realized with only a single external MCU, and the BOM cost can be reduced. The T2M Motor Solution Kit offers a functional safety reference circuit that meets IEC 61508 SIL 3 certification. This is achieved by combining the T2M CPU and RX72N to realize cross-monitoring functions. Renesas also has a plan to provide functional safety solutions for safety encoders. Thanks to the software, reference hardware, and certified compilers that support functional safety, the development time for functional safety systems can be significantly shortened. The T2M Motor Solution Kit is an evaluation kit that facilitates initial evaluation and advanced system development of motor control, industrial Ethernet, and functional safety. If you are interested, please contact us. Please refer to the Renesas website for more details.